is my second event kay sa Teleludes. Number one, we are so delayed na po. So, it's okay yan. Kung ano na lang yung mga nandito, gawinan po natin. The program will start 7 o'clock. 6 o'clock will be our open door. Supposedly, we have our technical run per supplier, especially our guest performer, Maxi and Angel and Jexy. So, hindi natin alam. So, ngayon po, number one, house rules natin. If you have anything concerned, just approach our on-the-day coordinators po, si Ma'am Rose. And if you have any concerns naman po, sa lahat ng mga suppliers natin dito, sila lang po, okay? Sila lang kakausapin natin. Do not stress our client, although nandito na si Ma'am, nahihiya po ako na nakabihis na po siya. And then pangalawa po, look at the program. So I'm sure that everyone has a copy. Maybe our catering will be needing one copy as well, and the tech booth, and all the on-the-day coordinators. Look at the program kung nasaan na po tayo. And also sa lahat po ng mga kakailanganin natin sa program, kailangan po aware tayo. Okay? Okay tayo doon. So, sino yung walang copy ng program? Smooth Teleludes, yung kanina ina-announce ko, meron tayong photo booth, photo wall, meron din tayong racing table. Okay? But the mobile bar will open by 5 p.m. Okay? And then pagkatapos niyan, Bricks, you will approach me kung ano na yung ating susunod by 7 o'clock. So 7 o'clock na kunyari, 7 o'clock na. And then you have to remind Ma'am Marie Cor, if it's 7 o'clock and then ang dami pang mga balang bisita, ask Ma'am Marie Cor if we going to start na or maghihintay tayo.